you're experiencing audio desync issues in Roblox, follow these steps to quickly resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the audio desync effectively. Step 1. Restart Roblox. Close the Roblox application completely and reopen it. This simple step can often resolve temporary glitches, including audio desync. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and strong. A weak connection can cause delays in audio and video synchronization. Try resetting your router if necessary. Step 3. Update Roblox. Make sure you have the latest version of Roblox installed. Check for updates in the Roblox app or on the website, as updates often include bug fixes that can resolve audio issues. Step 4. Adjust audio settings. Go to the audio settings within Roblox and adjust the volume levels. Sometimes, resetting the audio settings to default can help fix desync problems. Step 5. Reinstall Roblox. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Roblox. This can clear any corrupted files that might be causing the audio desync. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the audio desync issue in Roblox. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance.